Hello everybody. In this video I will teach you the binomial theorem, how to use the binomial theorem to expand high powers or to find a specific term of the expansion. Before we start, I need you to know some new stuff in math. For example, this is called factorial 3 or 3 factorial. This expansion will be 3 times 2 times 1. So if we say it factorial 7, this would be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If we say it factorial 20, we will do the same. So for any number factorial n, this would be n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 and so on until we get 3 times 2 times 1. You can use the calculator to evaluate this. This button factorial, so we write 7 shift and this one, this will be factorial 7 and the answer will be 5040. So you can do this by the calculator, but here's the rule. We have also NCR. This is combination, and this has a rule which is factorial the n, factorial the r, then factorial the difference n minus r factorial. So for example, if I asked you to get the 7c3 or 7c2, this will be factorial 7 divided by factorial 2 multiply factorial 7 minus 2, which is 5. Also, you can do this by the calculator without this step. You can do this by the calculator, and this c here in the division, so we can write 7 factorial shift divide 2 and the answer is 21. Now let's go to the before we go to the lesson, we have also this notation could be NR without the C, and this means the same idea. So we can write 7C2 by this way, or we can write 7C2 as this 7, 2. So this means 7C2. Okay. Now we have the expansion. If we have x plus y power 0, this anything to the power of 0 would be 1. X plus y power 1, this will keep it x plus y. X plus y power 2, this will give us x power 2, 2xy plus y squared. And so on. We can get an expansion of the next powers, but I need you to know that if we have power 0, this will give us one term. If we have power 1, this will give us 2 terms. Power 2 will give us 3 terms. So if we have a plus b power 6, this means we will have 7 terms. To know the expansion of this, we have 2 methods. A plus b power 7. Sorry, power 6. We said we have 7 terms. The first term will be a times b. With them, we have a coefficient. This coefficient will be 6, this power with 0. Then we will have a and b, and this will be 6 but with 1, and so on. So we can start writing this 6 combination. This is 6 0, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3. How many terms do we have? We have 7 terms. 6 4 because we have one more, 6 5, then 6 6. Then this is a and b. The first term starts from this power, so a power 6, a power 5, a power 4, a power 3, a power 2, a power 1, then a power 0, which is 1. Then the last one is b power 0, b power 1, b. It goes opposite, power 2, b power 3, b power 4, b power 5, b power 6. Then we'll put the sign or simplify. We can use the calculator to calculate each one of this. So the first one, 6 shift C 0 is 1, so this is 1. And b power 0 is also 1, so this is 1 times a power 6, so the answer of the first term is a power 6 plus. Then calculate this, 6 C 1, this is 6, and this is a power 5 and b, so the answer will be 6 a power 5 b. Then 6 2, 15, so it's 15 a power 4 b power 2. 6 3 is 20 a power 3 b power 3. 6 4 15 a power 2 b power 4. 6 5 6 a b power 5, and 6 6 is 1, so this is 1, and a power 0 is 1, so we will end up with b power 6. And this is the answer of the expansion of a plus b power 6. Again, if we have power 6, we write the combination starting from 6 6 0 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. We can do this by the calculator. For the first term, we start a power 6, a power 5, a power descending, a power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And we go back with the power of b, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And this is the answer. A plus 2b power 4. So how many terms? 5 terms. We write 4 0, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4. This a power 4, a power 3, a power 2, a power 1, and a power 0, which is 1. 2b power 0, 2b power 1, 2b power 2, 2b power 3, 2b power 4. By the calculator, 4c0 is 1, and 2b power 0 is 1, so this will end up with a power 4. This by the calculator is 5. Then 2b, 5 times 2 5 times 2 is 10, so this is positive 10, and a power 3 b. So if we have numbers, we simplify. This is 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, plus 4 2, 4 c 2 is 6, so this will be 6, and 2 power 2 is 4. We multiply the 6 and 4, so this will be 24 a power 2 b power 2, plus 4 3 is 4, so it's 4 multiply 2 power 3 2 power 3 is 8, so this is 32, a power 1 and b power 3. This is 1 and this is 1. 2 power 4 is 16, b power 4. Okay. Then we have how to find specific term. We use this form. Nk a power n minus k b power k. Actually, we use this form to find each term and we are adding them, so this will give us the summation from k equal to 0 to n, which is 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nk, n and k, n and k. K will be changed for each term, but n is constant. A power n minus k, b power k. This is the formula. So how to use this? If we have a plus b power 12, and I need you to work out the 7th or the 5th term, 10th term. Okay, 10th term. So when you look at this formula, you need to know what's n and what's k, since you can substitute by knowing these values and you will get the answer. So this is n is the power, so n equals 12. To find the 10th term, use k equal the previous one, which is 9. So to find the 10th term, use k equal 9. Now you have 12 and 9. Substitute here 12 and 9. A, which is the first term, power n minus k, 12 minus 9 is 3. Then b power k, which is 9. You can do this by the calculator. 12 C9 is 220. A power 3 and b power 9. So in this expansion, this will give you 13 terms, but the 10th term will be this. So this is a short question to find a specific term in the expansion. Different one using the same formula. In 2a plus b, this is power a power 10, we need the 5th term. So here n equals 10, k equals 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So put 10 and 4. Put the first one, which is 2a, power the difference, which is 6. Put the second term, which is b, power 4. So we put 10 and 4, then 10 minus 4, 6, then put the 4 here. 10, 4, 210, multiply 2 power 6, 64, multiply a power 6, multiply b power 4. So we work out the value of 2 power 6. We can do this by the calculator. 64 multiply 210, which is 1344, a power 6, b power 4, and this is the final answer. Okay, for this expansion, we can use different method, which is Pascal triangle. Pascal's triangle. This triangle 1 1 1, like an equilateral triangle, 1 1 1. So we add the base. This will be 2, and we end with 1 and 1. We add with 1 and 2 is 3. 1 and 2 is 3. Then we close with 1 and 1. 1 and 3 4. 3 and 3 6. 3 and 1 is 4. Then we close this. 1 and 4 5. 4 and 6 10. 10. and this is 5, 1 on 1. 1 on 5, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1 on 1. When to stop? If we are expanding a plus b power 6, we stop here because we have the 6. We said we need seven terms because this is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now put the coefficients 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Then put the two terms AB, 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 then AB. Put the powers. This is power 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Simplify with the power 0 is 1 and this is 1, so this answer will be a power 6. And this is 6a power 5b, 15a power 4, b power 2, 20a power 3, b power 3, 15a power 2, b power 4, 6a b power 5, then b power 6. When you compare this answer by this method to the previous one, a power 6, 6a 5 power a 5b, a power 6, 6 a 5b, and so on, this will give you the same answer. So we have two main questions: expand by this method or this method, and find specific term like this. Good luck.